Hey guys, if your Frigidaire dishwasher is not starting the cycle, then watch this video until the end to find easy and quick solutions for your problem. Here I have created this table to help you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve your problem. So let's start. Number 1. Verify power supply. Make sure the dishwasher is plugged in and the circuit breaker is on. You can test the outlet with another device. Because without power, the dishwasher will not start. Examine door latch and switch. Check if the door is securely closed. You can inspect the latch and door switch. Also test the door switch for continuity. Check for active settings. Check if the delayed start or child lock is on. You can perform a reset by holding the start or cancel button. This is the start or cancel button on your dishwasher touchpad. Inspect water supply. Turn on the water supply. Inspect the inlet hose for blockages. Check water pressure. It should be 20 to 120 psi. A blocked water supply prevents proper operation. So make sure water is flowing correctly. Reset the dishwasher. Unplug the dishwasher, then wait for 5 minutes and plug it back in. Otherwise, you can also reset it via the reset button combination. Inspect the control panel and touchpad. Test the control panel buttons for responsiveness. Clean the panel if required, because unresponsive controls can prevent dishwasher from starting. Check for error codes. Look for error codes on the display panel. If you do not have an idea about what the error codes mean, then you can open your owner's manual for specific instructions about the error codes. Inspect thermal fuse. You must test the thermal fuse for continuity. If it is blown, you will have to replace this. Examine the main control board. You will have to inspect for visual signs of damage or burnt areas on the control board. This is your control board on your dishwasher. You can also consider professional testing if required, because damage to control board can result in malfunction. Here is the last option: consult a professional technician. If all the above steps fail, then you must consult a professional technician for further diagnosis. That's it guys. Thank you.